On this video, we will show you how to troubleshoot and fix cellular data connection drops on your iPhone. If your iPhone frequently drops its cellular data connection, it can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to fix the issue. Step 1. You can check if your iPhone is an area with strong cellular network coverage. If not, move to a different area or you can try to restarting your iPhone. Step 2. You can toggle off and on the cellular data switch in setting. How to do it? Open setting. After that, tap on cellular. On cellular data, you can turn off or turn on by tap on the slider next to the cellular data here. Step 3. You can restart your iPhone by holding down the power button at the right side of your device. Press and holding it and together with the volume button, either up button or down button, one of them together until the slide to power off message appear on your screen. Then you can slide from the left to the right to power off. After a few seconds, press and hold the power button again to turn your iPhone back on. Step 4. You can reset your network setting by going to Setting. You open the setting and then tap on General. Then you can scroll down until you found Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then you choose the Reset Network setting. Step 5. If none of those above steps work, contact your cellular service provider for assistance. That's it. You successfully troubleshoot and fix cellular data connection drop on your iPhone. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful video. Bye!